Hi, I'm Ann Myrick, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your garbage can. This is the kitchen garbage can, and as you can see, I have a plastic filler in it, so I'm going to take that out. And it's a little grimy, and if you were here, you would notice that it smells a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I love to use a pine product or a product that has a really nice fresh smell. So I am going to I already have some in the sink, so I'm going to take this and put soapy water and the pine product in my trash can, and I'm going to wash all around my trash can, down in the bottom, all over to get the spots and the smell out. I'm going to also wash the outside with the pine cleaner, and then you can either sit the trash can out in the sun and let that continue with the fresh smell, or you can dry it with a towel and then get another liner and put it in, and you now have a very fresh smelling, clean garbage can. This is Ann Myrick. Thanks.